Hey, what's going on, guys? Want to do a review on this truck here. It's a 2006 Silverado 2500 HD with the LBZ Duramax in it. It's been about 6 months ago, about 6,000 miles. I put the CST lift spindles on here with the Method, I believe it's MR or MV 305 machine face wheels with the Nitto Terra Grappler G2s on there. The truck rides great, rides like a factory truck, which is why I went with the spindle lift. It maintains all the factory geometry. When I put the spindles in, I did not mess with the keys. It's got the factory keys in it. Didn't adjust them at all, just it's completely factory. As you can see, the tires themselves, they were perfectly square. Haven't even rotated them yet. They're quiet. They're comparable to a Falcon. The Wild Peaks, I've had those, and it's a little bit cheaper. It's a pretty good tire. Underneath there, you can see the CST spindles fabricated with the just factory replacement ACDelco upper and lower ball joints. They look a little bit used, but they were new not that long ago. It's got the Bilstien 5100s all the way around. It's just a factory replacement shock. They're not oversized or longer or anything like that. It's just a stock replacement Doorman bump stop right there. So just pretty factory underneath. The tires are a 315 70-17. They're great. They're a little bit wider than a 35, obviously. With the lift spindles, they kind of stick out a little bit past the body, which kind of gives it an aggressive look. Like I said, I went with the spindles because they maintains, the factory geometry. Doesn't mess with the A-arms or anything like that, and the truck rides great. And I just want to let you guys check this out in the back. Again, we got the Bilstiens in the back, and it's got a 1-inch block. And just to kind of bring the back up a little bit with the front, went with some new U-bolts, obviously, too. And she's pretty stock, other than what you guys see here. Some window tint, but that's about it. Put a back profile right there. So the front sticks out a little bit more than the rear, because the rear doesn't have any wheel spacers. But yeah, if you guys want to know anything else about it, the setup or the truck itself, just drop it down in the comments, and thanks for checking it out, guys.